Hello traders, the title of the video is The Secrets of Swing Trading Revealed. Are you a swing trader? Are you banging your head to the wall trying to figure out the secrets of successful swing trading? If you say yes, well, watch the full length of this tutorial to know the secrets of swing trading, especially as profitable or successful as swing trading. Alright, so you may say, Joe, you're going to talk about the same thing, blah, 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 blah. I will say to you, stay with us and be sure to watch the full length of this tutorial. There was a study done by a technical trader a few years ago, trying to figure out, okay, trading setup with a high probability winning rates. And they have discovered that channeling, all right, trading setup, especially for swing trading, provide high probability winning trades. So if you have been banging your head to the wall, try to figure out, okay, the best swing trading strategy, the secret of successful swing trading is channeling. Is that a difficult word? Well, if that's the case, ask Google. All right. Now let's continue the discussion. All right. So this is a channeling. You can see that the price is oscillating in a channel. Okay. In fact, the origin of swing trading comes from channeling when the price is oscillating. So people, the beginning or the origin of the word swing, so you swing it from here, you come out here, and then you swing it from here to this level here, and then you swing again here, and you are just swinging. This is a swing trading, all right? This is the origin of it. But the key or the secret of swing trading is relating to the market pattern channeling. So you may say, George, it's easy. I know this already. Stay put, please. Stay put, my friend. How do you use the channeling for swing trading purposes? All right. Maybe you have using the channeling before, but you don't see, okay, whether it's powerful or not. I will show you today. So when you are using the channeling, all right, people will look at the channel. It says rising channel, blah blah blah. But there are a lot of things going on in that channel. One thing that you can do to improve your channeling is to look at the price structure. So area wave traders are trained to look at the price structure. They try to figure out. So ordinary trader will say price goes up from here to here. Area wave trader will say it go up from here to here in 3 move, in 5 move, and they see how the price came down, how the price went up. So when we are asking the question how the price went down, how the price came down, we are talking about the price structure. Another thing that you need to do if you are using the channeling for swing trading purposes, you want to concentrate on the price. Can you see what's going on in this session here? Look carefully. The price is in a rising channel, but look what's happening here. The reason why the price is behaving the way it's behaving now is because professional traders are paying attention to the price. Let's draw a trend line. Connecting this high to this high, you can see that the price breaks above that trend line, so it forms a high, you see, from a lower high, indicating to us that the bearish momentum is increasing. Now it forms equal low, telling that the bearish momentum is diminishing. Now you see, because the bearish momentum is diminishing in a rising channel, it breaks above the channel, and what it did now, it retested that channel. Though we are in a channel, do not forget the price, which is the number one indicator. Try to figure out what is happening in that channel. Let me show you one more thing that you can do with the channeling. You see here. So we talk about pitchfork tool. Here it is here. Price went down. Here it is. From point A to point B. All right. And then it goes up a bit without going to the beginning. That's what we do when we want to draw pitchfork tool. let's try to apply Pitchfork tool to that price action. Here it comes, my friend, in channeling, okay, trading strategy. So here we have a declining Pitchfork tool. All right, a declining Pitchfork tool. So look, what did we say to trader before? That the intersection between any part of the Pitchfork tool and any key level, what is the key level here? This trend line is the key level that we are watching, and that intersection, there's one here. What's that? This is a hot, a spot, a trading zone. Very often, as I recorded a video just now talking about Pitchfork tool, swing trading tips that work. That video will be posted at the Pro Trader YouTube channel. But the video that we are recording now will be posted at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. In that video, Pitchfork tool swing trading tips that work at the Pro Trader YouTube channel, I was telling traders how the price came down from this angle of a Pitchfork tool to a hot spot trading. It's happening most of the time from that angle. Usually it goes to a hot spot trading zone. You see now? So when you are using the channeling, do not forget the price. You can use a Pitchfork tool, concentrate on the price structure to understand what is happening in that channel. You get it now? You get it now? Okay. Now let's remove that Pitchfork tool again in that channel. Look what's happened. It went up, okay, from here to here, all right, and now it pulled back again to the edge of that channel. Now, will you agree with me for the first time in your whole life, since you have been disagreeing with me with everything, marking every video down, say, Joe, you stupid boy. Now, this to make you laugh a bit, all right? Will you agree that we can draw again a Pitchfork tool here to help us in this channeling? Do you understand why suddenly, as the price was going up here, people sold it here? Why? Can you answer that question? Because of what? Stay with me. Stay with me. All right. If you pay attention to that resistance here, price went up, change direction, yes or no? That's a resistance. Pay attention to that. Pay attention, my friend. Pay attention to that. Here we are. We have a key level on the monthly chart. And what did I say? The intersection of any part of the Pitchfork tool and any key horizontal level is what? A hot spot trading zone. So price rally out from the edge of that channeling is stopped at a hot spot trading zone. I would like to, if you allow me, I would like to say to you that make sure you watch that video that we title Pitchfork Tool Swing Trading Tips That Work at dayprotrader.com. Do not allow anybody to stop you watching the full length of that tutorial. It's 21 minutes recording, and I'll try to speak slowly to explain to traders what they need to do when they are using a Pitchfork tool for swing trading purposes. We were talking about on the edge and a hot spot trading zone. I consider that video as an essential, okay, Pitchfork tool swing trading tutorial. You can quote me on that anywhere, anytime, and I will be there, all right? Very, very powerful, okay, recording in my view, unless one more time you are disagreeing with me, which is okay, all right? Friend can disagree. All right? So here we are, hot spot trading zone. So going back to our topic again, my friend, all right? The secret of swing trading revealed is all about channeling, but how do we use that channel for swing trading? Pay attention to the price itself, the price action, pay attention to the price structure, use the Pitchfork tool, trade on the edge, trade at a hot spot trading zone. So the origin of the swing trading, as I told you, is have to do about consolidation in a channel. So when we are talking about consolidation, I talked about it earlier today. We are talking about the normal horizontal channel. Traders that have already know this. So I'm speaking to new traders. Consolidation in a tiny rising channel, or sometimes you see this one is quite wide, all right, or a consolidation in a declining channel. We can have a consolidation in a declining channel. We can also have a consolidation where in a triangle. Those are the four types of consolidation that we have in the financial market. Triangle. So if you are swing trading, look for channeling. You see here. So allow me to tell you more about this. Okay, what is happening here is very interesting because the price is not going up as such, but it's going up gently. You see how it was going up? Anytime it goes up, normally we should be giving priority to bullish signal only. So we will be concentrating because in the rising channel we'll be looking for if it form a higher low and form if we see a higher low after a higher high, that's a high probability bullish trending setup. Yes or no? All right. From a higher high followed by a higher low. This is a high probability trading setup. Here we have a lower high followed by a lower low. What did I say to traders? The most powerful bullish trading signal is what? This one here. Now, maybe it's already taking place right here on the edge here. So when the price form a new lower low, after a lower high is indicating to us that the price has a more chance to go up. So a lower high is followed by a lower low. Now you may disagree that it almost equal low. So consider this as a new lower low. But now if after that a lower low, the price goes up and form a higher low, that higher low is the most powerful bullish trading signal on any time frame. Yeah, there's one example here. So we have a lower high in comparison to this one. This is the lower high in comparison to this one. Now look, the price went down to form a new lower low, indicating to us that the bearish momentum is strong. But if after that we see a higher low, which it did here, this one here is a high probability trading setup. You can use that for scalping on a 50-minute time frame if you understand what I'm talking about here. This is the most powerful bullish trading setup that will generate the most powerful bullish trading signal. So now we are in a channel, all this is happening. You can pay attention, try to understand what the price is doing in that channel. So going back again to the channeling, what usually take place, you can see that some stock, you see how this one is going up, it's going up. You see the difference between this high and this one, no big difference. The difference between this current high and this one, no big difference. This is how you know that it's channeling. It's just going up and down. It's not going too far away. All right, it's just going in a channel gently, and there is no big difference between the high and it's touching the top of the channel. So anytime it reaches the top, people are selling. It reaches the top, people are selling. So you want to know what's going on. Where are they selling? You remember the three questions that we asked as a technical trader: where are we? Where are we going? And what has happened before? So if they are selling at the top of the rising channel, you will know. So you understand that those who are trading this stock are willing to sell on the edge of the upper half. Normally, we should be only concentrating on the higher low on the side, okay? Because we're in a rising channel. But if we notice about what has happened, we ask the correct question, what has happened before, they sold it here, they sold it here. After two, we know that, okay, if you come third time, we want to see what they will do. So the first thing coming to our mind here, they are likely to sell. It's a swing trader, channeling. This common set trend line is kaput. First candlestick back down. This very interesting scenario here. They bring it down, see, and they want that rally. These are professional. They want that rally to retest, and after that rally, they push it back down. This is good, very good, very interesting scenario here. Okay, so you are in a channel as a swing trader. I'm not saying that when you're in a rising channel, concentrate on selling, but you want to check what is happening on the upper side of the channel. Normally, your first place is here. So normally, you should disregard the sell here. Those are contra trend, and only use those ones here. So you are swing trading. So it came down, common center is kaput. You implement a top-down trading method, you take it up there, you swing it to the upper level, you cash out. If it breaks above the channel and find support, then use something else. Use market geometry and take it from there again. Again, here we are. Came back again to the edge. Yes, higher low. Okay, if you form a higher low followed by higher, if you form a higher high followed by a higher low, como certain is kaput. Here you see this one. How so now it becomes clear to a lot of swing traders. You see how they run fast. The swing traders, they were all waiting here. After this one, they know that, okay, if you come here, we'll buy. Everybody buying here. Choose. They all came out again here. This is active swing traders in action in channeling. All right, so if you are a bullish trader, you don't want to sell, you come again. You see this one, how it pop out very fast. If the candlestick is too long, wait for a pullback. All right, very important. Here it is again, they take it out. Common certain is kaput again, people sold it down. Look at this one. So look at this. Why this one got a tail? Why this one got a long tail? Because you see, now everybody know that people are buying here. This is why you want to establish, you want to ascertain that people are buying here or they are selling here. So now, before the price even reaches this level, there were all orders already wait here. People place order here to buy. As the price came down, you know that those orders will attract the price. As I mentioned to trader before, do not use those orders to manipulate the market. All right. All right. So orders were already placed here. As the price came down, order fill. So it just came down to fill those orders and quickly run away with it again. All right. But here you see a lower high and is retesting here. You need to be careful because it formed a lower high before retesting here. Common certain is kaput. If you are buying here, this time you need to be careful because we form a lower high. You need to be very careful here. You see the tail of this kind of people were trying to sell because of this one here. People were trying to sell, and because they sold it here, this is again here what has happened before in that channel. Attention to the price. They were selling. They sold it here on the edge of that trend line. This high and this one here. Allow us to draw that trend line. People sold on the edge of that trend line. Remember the question: what has happened before? Yeah, they brought it there. As he reached that trend line for the first time, there were sellers waiting to sell. So 1 month it went down before crashing through it. Now it breaks below it. Pay attention to the price structure in a channel. Concentrate on the price itself. And swing trade, ascertain whether they are selling on the edge of a trend line or a key level, and do exactly the same thing. In all cases, as it comes down here and the common center is kaput, one must always use a different time frame trading method. In fact, I can tell you blankly now is that one cannot swing trade without mastering a top-down trading method. I don't know how people can get away with it, but there are people with a deep pocket. All they are doing, they are playing with the market. But what I'm talking about here, the computers understand this and they know it. So the computer know about this trend line. They know that it breaks the body and retest it here. You see the tail of that chemistry, but the computers know. And they will, that's why they call it speed traders. So the computers are taking the training of human beings because the computer gather all those information and they know where to buy and where to sell. And they recognize the hot spot trading zone and they know where the price is on the edge. The computers then recognize the candlestick pattern. This is one here. Okay, the inverted hammer with a long tail piercing through a key levels. Followed by, see, it's a rally here, then boom down. All right, so I hope, right, I have revealed the secret of a swing trading is down to channeling and it's happening. Another thing I want to say before we wrap it up is that some stock are very good in channeling. Some stock, like if you talk about Apple stock, it doesn't channel so much because it is displaying proper higher low. You see you extend them more, you'll see clear cut area wave. Here we can't talk about area wave count here, but the price going up, but it's in a channel. This is what we call channeling. When the trend, in fact, is confined, okay, in a channel. Normally, what usually takes place, the price will start with the first channel like this, but then the trend will become strong, isn't it? And then you break above that first channel, and then you will find a support above the first channel, which means the bullish momentum is becoming strong, and the price will abandon the first channel. Some bullish stock that we call bullish cow will escape two channels. So they will ride it first channel, and then we ride the second channel, and then we break above the second channel, and then find a support above it, and continue to go up. Those are dynamic bullish stock. But when we are talking about channeling for swing trading, those are stock with low volatility that are going up in a channel, and they are not breaking above that channel at all. Here it is. This is one example here. The CA Incorporated, EPIC CA, belonging to the technology sector, software, infrastructure. So look around for stock that are channeling. Pay attention to the price action, the price structure, use the pitchfork tool, interpret the language of the price, okay, and trade on the edge, and also at a hot spot trading zone. This stock is channeling a lot. You see it's going down again. It's not coming out of the first channel. It's just staying in the first channel. It's not coming out of it. It's going down in that channel, and then again it's channeling. So those are stocks that are going up in one channel. They are channeling the trend. Normally, stock will here it didn't channel here. You see here. So if you look careful here, we can see that there was if you agree, okay. If you have stepped down, we may see there was a first channel like this, and then we have that declining channel here. But as the trend is becoming stronger, it went above that channel, and you see, so it's just going up more. But here, as it's going up, it just stay in that channel. That's what we call channeling. This is the secret of successful swing trading. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about the secret of swing trading revealed. You have any question or suggestion, well, feel free to put in the comment section. As always, I will read it. Right in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Have any suggestion or a topic you want us to record a video about, put in the comment section. I'll look at it, and in due course, we will be talking about it, alright? If you find this video truly useful, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. That's the signal that, George, you have done a good job today. If you think that, George, that's another poor performance, well, that will put me under pressure to work harder for you. If you think it's an essential tutorial, alright, feel free to share it with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. In the next tutorial, I can introduce you to the next tutorial. We will be talking about how to use a narrow consolidation chart pattern for day trading on the edge. See you in the next video. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about the secret of swing trading revealed.